It's a matter of great pleasure that our guest of honor, Mr. Amit Kumar, has arrived. We all extend a hearty and warm welcome to you, sir. Our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Amit Kumar, is the Chief Executive Officer of Kanpur Cantonment. He completed his post-graduation in Geography from Rajasthan University, Jaipur, and has qualified in Junior Research Fellowship, NET and SLET examination. He joined the service in 2005 and was first posted to Lansdowne, Pauri, Garhwal as the Chief Executive Officer. Sir has also served in Firozpur and Panchmari Cantonment as CEO and as Defence State Officer in Bhopal Circle, Bhopal. I welcome you, sir, in my humble words. Now I request Shreya Bajpai, our Chief Editor, to present a bouquet of flowers to Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Amit Kumar. Let us all put our hands together and welcome Mr. Amit Kumar. Over to Elishba and Maria.
The biblical play was really wonderful. It truly taught all of us to err is human, but to forgive is divine. What's our next item, Maria?
Our next item is Samanvay.
Samanvay? What do we mean by Samanvay?
Samanvay means unison. India is a country of many ethnic groups. Now we present before you a treasure trove of the dances of the different states of our country.
The sweet Bengali dancers. The gorgeous Bengali dancers.
সাত ভাই চম্পা জাগো রে জাগো রে ঘুম ঘুম থাকে না ঘুমেরই ধরে একটি করুণ মন আমি তোমার আমি সকাল সাজে শত কাজের মাঝে তোমায় ডেকে ডেকে সারা দাও সারা গো সারা ও সাত ভাই চম্পা জাগো রে জাগো রে ঘুম ঘুম থাকে না ঘুমেরই ধরে একটি করুণ
মানে